Let's get straight to it. You can't change your genetics, but you can maximize what you have and become the best version of yourself. Attraction isn't just about looks. Sure, appearance matters, but there's so much more to it. The way you carry yourself, how you interact with others, and your mindset all play a huge role. The good news? Small but powerful changes can completely shift how people see you. Stop chasing approval, build yourself up, and others will naturally be drawn to you. You've probably heard this before. Great, but if you're not living it, let's break it down so you can start applying it for real. First, confidence is key. It all starts with personality. Confidence is what sets people apart, and it has nothing to do with faking it. Real confidence is built through experience, taking risks, failing, learning, and getting back up stronger each time. No one is born confident. The people who walk into a room and command attention, they got there by facing challenges and refusing to back down. If you want people to feel your presence, you have to earn that confidence by engaging with the real world, pushing yourself, and growing through adversity. The second step, mastering the art of communication. How you communicate matters, a lot more than you think. If you want to leave a strong impression, sharpen your social skills. The key isn't talking more, it's about listening. People appreciate when they feel heard. Be real, be honest, and let go of the need to impress. Pretending to be someone you're not is exhausting and obvious. The more authentic you are, the more people will be drawn to you. Step 3. Body language speaks louder than words. Before you even say a word, people pick up on your body language. Stand tall, hold your head high, and maintain eye contact. Avoid nervous habits like fidgeting. When you're engaged in a conversation, lean in slightly. It subconsciously signals that you're genuinely interested. These small shifts make a huge difference in how others perceive you. Step 4. Purpose and ambition attract. What you do with your life says everything about you. Those who have clear goals and the drive to achieve them are far more attractive than those who just drift through life. If you want to elevate yourself, start by improving your financial situation. Money isn't everything, but having financial stability gives you freedom and confidence. In today's world, there are endless opportunities to earn, whether through content creation, coding, design, or business. Learn valuable skills and start taking control of your future. Step 5. Becoming unforgettable. Find something that makes you stand out. Whether it's cooking, playing an instrument, calisthenics, or chess, mastering a skill makes you interesting. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you are passionate about it. People are naturally drawn to those who are skilled, disciplined, and passionate. The more unique and refined your skills are, the more magnetic you become. Step 6. The power of fitness and discipline. Your body reflects your level of discipline. A strong, fit physique demands respect. It shows that you take care of yourself and put in the work. You can't buy discipline, and you can't fake it. Whether you choose weightlifting, martial arts, or calisthenics, commit to a fitness routine and watch how both your confidence and attractiveness skyrocket. A well-built body not only makes you look better, but it also improves how you feel and move through life. The last step, the bigger picture. Attraction goes far beyond looks. It's about presence, mindset, discipline, and how you treat others. If you want to become the best version of yourself, work on improving daily. Learn new skills, stay physically active, and be present in your conversations. The more you invest in yourself, the more people will take notice. That's when real attraction happens.
Subscribe!